fencing. We're proud to say supplies to your door. We're on the way, concrete.
Hi, welcome to G&G's YouTube channel. Today we are talking about concrete fence posts versus Durapost.
So with the Duropost lineup, we have 5 different colours. There's your standard galvanised, sepia brown, olive grey, black and anthracite grey.
So here we have a concrete post, which as you can see, it's heavy. Quite hard to carry around your garden, throw it in. Durapost, light as anything. What do you think, James?
I really do like the Duropost. It's very easy to carry, like you said, Grant. It's got a much smaller profile for if you wanted a bit more stylish and simplified look to your fence panels, and comes in a number of colours for your own personal take on your fencing.
Yeah, the other thing to talk about is the guarantee you get with the Duropost.
That's right. So with the Duropost, the galvanised, you get a 15-year guarantee. The powder coated options of brown, olive grey, black and anthracite grey are all 25 years.
And you don't actually get any guarantee with a concrete fence post.
So here we have 2 of our demo parts of the Duropost posts. We have our galvanised and our anthracite grey. These are both exactly the same, minus the fact that the galvanised is not powder coated and coloured like the anthracite. Although these are demonstration parts, both posts will come with the ability to screw in your post, whether that be fence, composite or other. So with the anthracite grey post here, like all of the others, but I just thought I'd demonstrate this one, you've got a 50mm clearance between each side of the post that allows you to use most conventional fence panels, especially the ones that we sell here at G&G. Again, great for using for either the composite fencing made by Duropost or even our own beast and tray panels. Now this is a comparison of both the profiles of our concrete fence posts and our Duropost fence posts, and as you can see there's a considerable difference. If using it with your fence posts on either side from here of the concrete, that's as thick as you'd expect to have your post, which is roughly the equivalent of 4 inches. With Duropost, with both in either side, you have the equivalent of 2 inches worth of profile.
So at the moment we've got a deal going on that you can buy the 9-foot Duropost for exactly the same price as a 9-foot concrete fence post. What would you put in your garden, James?
I have already put Duropost fence posts in my garden.
Yeah, it's just a lot easier to use. You've got a 25-year guarantee and you ain't got to lug around a lot of concrete. Also, once you're finished with these, they're fully recyclable. So the Duropost range is available for delivery to the whole of the UK mainland. You can order online at www.fencinglandscapesuppliers.co.uk. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
G&G fencing. We're